Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Chill. This is Anubhav. In this video, we will discuss about that why should we learn Python, what all can we do with Python, and what are the benefits of learning it. So without any further ado, let's go. The answer to the question that why should we learn Python is that it is one of the most trending programming languages these days. It can also be used for multiple things like web development, game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization. It can also be used to develop desktop graphical user interface using tkinter or tkinter. It can also be used for web scraping, computer vision, audio and video applications, and many such more things. Now we will be having a look at some of the projects made using Python. So let's dive right into my computer screen and see the magic of Python. So firstly, we will have a look at a snake game developed using Pygame module of Python. Here is the code for the complete game. Now let's run and play it. To open a command prompt, type in cmd over here. And now run a Python file by typing in the command python snake.py. Press the spacebar to play, and here it is. By the way, the background music used for this is Nazmna's piano cover by Akash Desai. Now let's quit the game so that I can show you everything else too. The next project which I am going to show you all is Avengers of GitHub. It is basically a web development project made using Django, which is a Python web framework. Let me show you the code first. So this is basically a Django project, and here's all its code. I've already deployed this website on Heroku. Let me show you its demo. So what this website does is that if we enter a GitHub username, for now let's suppose I'm entering Kushank Shah's username, it will show us all of the details which are provided by the GitHub API from Kushank Shah's profile and according to which Avenger is he. Let's try for someone else. Let's try Anubhav. Yeah, that's my favorite part. And what if we enter some wrong username? It hits 404, page not found. I hope you liked it. The other project which I'm going to show you all is AMBlocks, which is also a Django project. I've already deployed this website on Heroku too. I'll provide the link to this AMBlocks in the description box. And here is the website. It is a blog website where people can read blogs written by me, obviously. They can also create their account and sign up, log in, search filter, series, and subscribe for email notifications. So that's it for AMBlocks. Which I'm going to show you all is Friday, which is a personal desktop assistant, again made using Python. So here is the code for that. And let me show you by running it.
Hello. Good evening, sir. I am Friday, your digital personal assistant created by Anubhav. How may I help you?
Friday, what is the time?
Sir, the time now is 20 hours 29 minutes and 31 seconds.
Friday, open Twitter for me. You see, Friday has opened Twitter for me, and now we will try opening VS Code. Friday open code. Now you see Friday has opened VS Code for us. Friday can also do tasks like sending emails to your friends, playing music. I've already made a separate video for the demo of Friday. I'll share the link in the description box. Let's move on to our next project. So our last but not the least project is Jarvis. Jarvis is an augmented reality plus a bit taste of artificial intelligence project made using Python and JavaScript both, majorly. You can also use Jarvis on your laptop, but I'll be showing its demo on my mobile phone. Open Google.
Opening Google.
WhatsApp Anubhav message, hello, how are you?
Starting process.
Email Anubhav message, hello Anubhav, how are you?
Yes, sure. Mail sent to Anubhav.
Sing a song for me.
Okay, I will sing a very beautiful Hindi song for you.
So these were few of the projects that are made using Python. You see how awesome Python is. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will discuss about what is a programming language and a brief introduction to Python. Thanks for watching.